I'm gonna net an extra $50,000, I believe, for the sale of this condo for my client in North Bethesda. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. See, this place right now, you're gonna look at it, it looks ugly. This is what it looks like right now before we start this work. It's cluttered. Now, the great thing is the kitchen actually has been remodeled already. It resembles more like a single family home kitchen, which is phenomenal because it has a great open space, double balcony, looking out to southwest and westerly views. Beautiful, beautiful daylight all afternoon. And you'll see right here, we actually have a foyer area that feels sort of like walking into a home, and a coat closet, really nice. There's an actual walk-in laundry room with cabinets above, and then this den. These mirrors are all gonna go away. There's some broken ones. It looks ugly. That'll be transformed. The second bedroom, really nice. It's on the opposite side of the condo from the primary. So great separation, has its own full bathroom. And the bedroom itself, we actually don't need to do too much here. We're just gonna paint it, clean it up, and we'll have it staged. Now this big open living space, again, it's phenomenal for a condo. You don't typically have this in many condos in the area, or you're paying well north of $1 million. And all this stuff will be gone. Now, we're gonna come into the showstopper, right? I'm saying this with sarcasm because this is the key to, in part, what we're gonna do. Along with the promoting, what we're doing right now is this bathroom, because it is, what do you think? It's super duper ugly. And that's a great thing. Why is it a great thing? Because buyers will come in here and they're gonna say, I'm absolutely gonna have to redo this, and the cost in their heads is gonna be way higher than what I can get it done for my client, including all the rest of the work. And so that enables me to promote it as we're doing it. We market it more than other people, and then that sweet spot price is going to drive more and more people into it. And I'm already getting calls on this, and they haven't seen this yet. So wait till you see this transformation. Follow along, because this ugly primary bathroom is going to be done. You'll see what we're going to do to it. Wait till you see. And I hope you can come out and take a look at it if you're local. Send this out to other people and follow along so you can see the transformation. It's happening right now over the next 2 weeks, and then we'll go live.